overseas nursing job fair held in Shillong on 4th August 2023 in collaboration with Navis HR Pvt Ltd, Nursedge, the Trained Nurses Association India and Ajith Enterprise was organized by Meghalaya State Skill Development Society and the Department of Health and Family Welfare Government of Meghalaya. Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, who attended the event as chief guest, inaugurated the job fair today in the presence of the Minister in charge of Health Department, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, the Director National Health Mission, Meghalaya Kumar, other state government officials, nurses from across the state, beside others. While addressing the gathering at the State Convention Centre, Shillong, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma announced the government's commitment to extend all possible support to trained nurses for job placements in different parts of the world. Sangma highlighted on the state's dedication to support nurses in securing employment outside the state and the country and on the government's efforts to create an ecosystem ensuring job readiness for overseas opportunities.
Basically, this is an initiative that was taken by our Honorable Minister for Health, M Ampareen Lyngdoh, where there was a huge gap that was seen in terms of the need for health care services, especially for nurses at the international level, and the availability of skilled manpower at the state of Meghalaya. And hence, the only requirement was to actually connect these two dots, where the government could play a very crucial role in financially supporting as well as logistically supporting this entire initiative. And that is what we're doing today. We have this overseas nurse job fair, where an overwhelming response has come from the nursing community. We have more than 1,000 nurses who have come in here in the first phase, and we are now going to go through a selection process where few nurses will be selected, and the government of Meghalaya will be supporting them with 50,000 for their training from the government of Meghalaya side per individual. And as many as they qualify, we will be happy to support as many as possible. And we hope that once this happens, this will be a huge impact, not just in the personal lives of the individuals who get through, but for the overall state, where foreign exchange, different connections and different sectors will then open up for economic activity in the state with the country with which we are able to partner with and send our manpower out there. So it's a great step forward, and I congratulate the Honorable Minister, congratulate the department and all the stakeholders who have made this particular job fair a possibility. We will be having this job fair also in Tura very soon, because our nurses from Tura were not able to come. So we will ensure that in Garo Hills region also this job fair is conducted. And in the future, not just nursing, but we hope to be able to expand and reach out to other sectors also apart from nursing, like hospitality, like the construction sector, and even areas of, like, say for example, music and other sectors. So we are seeing a great opportunity, and this is just the beginning. We hope that we'll be able to really expand this and really provide great opportunity to the youth of our state.